Hello, I'm Simon Henry, the Chief Financial Officer of Royal Dutch Shell. Today we announced our quarterly financial results, so let me give you the highlights. Our first quarter 2014 earnings were $7.3 billion on a clean current cost of supplies basis. The earnings per share decreased by 2% from the first quarter 2013. Our cash flow generated was around $14 billion. On a Q1 to Q1 basis, we saw a decline in downstream earnings and broadly flat upstream results. Now, these are more robust results from Shell. However, as we saw in 2013, there's high volatility in the macro environment and high volatility in our own quarterly results. Our strategy and financial framework have not changed. We aim to grow our dividends sustainably through the business cycle, driven by growing cash generation, all at competitive returns. The priorities we set out at the start of this year have not changed. There is no complacency. We still have much to do to improve our current results. Now, this means focusing on better financial performance, on enhanced capital efficiency, which includes an increase in the asset sales program, and continuing strong project delivery. We have taken a $2.6 billion impairment charge today in the downstream, and that reflects Shell's updated views on the outlook for refining margins, where there are substantial pressures on the industry. Now, this impairment represents about 14% of the fixed assets in our total refining business. Our upstream underlying earnings were $5.7 billion. That's essentially unchanged from year-ago levels. Our upstream results included a record result from the integrated gas business, which showed a 30% increase year over year. And as well, we saw strong results from gas trading. Our downstream earnings were $1.6 billion, 15% lower than year-ago levels, and that was as industry margins actually declined quite some significant amount. We have added new opportunities during this quarter. We started up new production. We announced further asset sales. This is all part of positioning the company for profitable growth for the future. We completed the Repsol LNG acquisition, we made new gas discoveries in Asia Pacific, and we added new exploration acreage worldwide. We entered front-end engineering and design on a series of new projects, and that includes the LNG opportunity in Canada, the deepwater new hub development at Appomattox in the Gulf of Mexico, and the Peterhead carbon capture and sequestration project in the United Kingdom. We announced divestments of businesses in Australia, in Italy, and in the United States. Dividends are Shell's main route for returning cash to shareholders, and we are announcing a 4% increase in the dividend for the first quarter today. Now, we've distributed more than $11 billion of dividend in the last 12 months and completed some $6 billion of share buybacks. All of this underlines our commitment to shareholder returns. Thank you.